first ever male enlargement webinar. Add 2 to 3 inches naturally. Hi. A couple of days ago I told you about my friend John Collins who was giving away his new enlargement exercises ebook. Well, he just reached out to me and told me his email inbox literally blew up. He couldn't sort through the 230 plus emails he had received in the last 48 hours begging him to reveal more about his enlargement methods. John isn't the most technically savvy guy, and at his typical typing speed I estimate it would probably take him about a year to reply to all those emails. So, I convinced him to run a webinar and answer the most common questions about natural penis enlargement that he has been receiving. He is going to reveal some pretty shocking things about the enlargement industry, and what makes his two-step process different than anything else you may have tried. The only problem is, seating is very limited due to server capacity, so to reserve your seat you need to register at the link below. He has opened up 2 different time slots, one on Sunday and one on Thursday. So if you are serious about adding 2 to 3 inches to your Johnson, then run, don't walk, to the webinar registration page to save your seat. I promise you this is going to be time well spent. Talk to you later.